Good evening, students. Welcome you all to our the session of application of derivatives. So let us see this is going to be connected for live class or not. Okay. Okay. So good evening to everyone. Today in this session I am going to discuss about uh, your application of derivatives previous year question papers. So tell all your friends to join as much as early possible so that I will begin the class. And you can also doubts whatever you want in the chat box. So Unacademy plus course is all about 20 plus top educators, 10 plus batches, 250 plus courses, 2000 plus lessons, and many more are going to be added every day. You have to use Pavan KCET as your code if you are subscribing for this, and here you are going to get so many uses like premium content, structured live classes, quizzes at regular intervals, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, single subscription for unlimited access. So this all is going to be under single plus subscription. This thing already you know. So you also know that Unacademy Educator app is one of the best educator app running at the present. So you please take use of it. It is going to have a very big impact on your results. For good results, you can follow me on Unacademy app. Okay. So now in this session, I am going to discuss the problems from your question papers that which are going to be asked very frequently. For that, first I am going to discuss slope of tangent, slope of tangent and slope of normal, slope of tangent and slope of normal. So here slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. Okay, so there will be one function and you have to differentiate that function and you have to put the point x1 y1, that is going to be your slope of tangent. For example, if you have y equal to x cube and at x equal to 2, if you want to calculate slope of tangent, you just differentiate it, that will be dy by dx equal to 3x square. So please remember the formula of x raised to n. So that will be 3x square at x equal to 2. So if I take this 3 times of 2 square, because x value is 2, so this is going to be 12. Okay, so here slope of tangent is 12. Clear? First thing is you have to differentiate the given term, that is x cube. You have to differentiate x cube, you will get 3x square. After that you use x equal to 2. So if you put x equal to 2 in the place of x, that will be 2 square. So that is 3 times of 2 square equal to 12. Okay. So here the slope of tangent is 12. On the same way, you have to calculate slope of normal. So for slope of normal, you just see the formula is minus 1 by dy by dx at the point of x1, y1. For this, you just take it as minus 1 by 12 because dy by dx at x equal to 2 is 12. So here in the place of dy by dx, you just write 12 Therefore, it is going to be your slope of normal. Okay. So this is how we are going to calculate our slope of tangent and slope of normal. So please keep in mind these things are very important. They may ask the same question or they may ask this type of questions. Okay. So coming to the next question, very most of the times asked in your exams. Find the slope, find the slope of the normal to the curve of the normal to the curve x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos cube theta at theta equal to pi by 2. So this you have to calculate. That is, find the slope of normal to the curve at x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos cube theta at theta equal to pi by 2. So we all know that slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2. So for this, the very important thing is dy by dx. Okay. So for that reason, you just differentiate the given x, that will be dx by d theta. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So differentiation of sine is cos theta. So it will be a cos theta. Dy by d theta is going to be equal to, see b as it is, I will write this as 3b cos square theta. So now the power is simplified. After the power getting simplified, you have to multiply it with differentiation of cos theta, that is minus sin theta. Okay. Now simplify dy by dx. What will be dy by dx? 3b cos square theta minus sin theta divided by what? Minus a cos theta. So cancel minus and minus term, cos and cos term. So this is going to be equal to, just you can see, that is 3b cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Okay. So for now, what is theta value? Theta value is pi by 2. If theta value is pi by 2, if I put pi by 2 here, what is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So 0 into any term will be 0. So slope of tangent is 0. Sorry, slope of normal will be what? That is minus 1 by 0. So that is going to be not defined. That is going to be not defined. Clear? So the same question can be asked by changing this 3 as 2. That is y equal to b cos square theta. Okay. You just see this. The same question can be asked for you in any exams, like find the slope of normal. You have to find the slope of normal of the line. You have to find slope of the normal of the line x equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y equal to b cos square theta at theta equal to pi by 2. So please solve it on yourself. You just see the steps what I have solved. First you simplify dx by d theta. Next you simplify dy by d theta. Next you go for dy by dx. By using dy by dx, by putting the value of theta equal to pi by 2, you just simplify. So dy by dx is going to be equal to 0. From this, you use minus 1 by 0, that is the slope of normal formula. So minus 1 by 0 is not defined. So this is the technique to simplify the slope of normal. For that, you just simplify this. Here, answer will be minus a by 2b. Here the answer will be minus a by 2b. Okay. So you just check this. So the answer is going to be minus a by 2b. Clear? So solve it on yourself and you try it. Now I will go for my next question, that is, find the intervals of increasing and decreasing function. Find the intervals of increasing and decreasing functions. Let us see how to simplify increasing and decreasing functions. So for that reason, you just see here what we have to do. There is a question that find the intervals of increasing and decreasing for the given function, that is f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. So for this, you have to simplify the increasing and decreasing functions. So we all know that for increasing and decreasing function, f dash of x must be greater than 0, then it will be strictly increasing. F dash of x is lesser than or equal to 0, it is strictly decreasing. So to prove this, you have some steps. What are those? That is, you have to just check what will be the differentiation of this. You have to just check what will be the differentiation of this, and you have to find the intervals. So first thing, please remember that you must know differentiation. Find f dash of x, so that will be 2x minus 4, that is going to be 2x minus 4. Okay, so you just see this is going to be 2x minus 4. This is your first step. What is the second step? Equate this term equal to 0. So that is 2x minus 4 is going to be equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4. X is going to be equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Now by getting this point, you have to draw the graph, that is wavy curve method. Here you have minus infinity, here you have plus infinity. Before drawing the wavy curve, you have to check the positive or negative. So already I have explained, you have to check the function is positive or negative. Here the function is positive, that you all know. So if the function is positive, you should draw the curve like this. Okay, so just check, here it is positive, here it is negative. So from 2 to positive infinity, it is strictly increasing. It is strictly increasing, and minus infinity to 2, it is strictly decreasing. Okay, so this is how you have to check your strictly increasing and decreasing. So you got two intervals. Please remember minus infinity comma 2 and 2 comma infinity. So here it is strictly increasing and here it is strictly decreasing. So this is all about your increasing and decreasing function. And on the same way, we have some more problems. We can also solve that. Let us simplify that. Okay, before going to the next problem, you just see Unacademy is giving you test series. Unacademy is giving you test series. So you just go through your Unacademy app. There daily 20 questions in 20 minutes you have to answer. So there you are going to get live test and get leaderboard ranking, evaluate your performance, attempt later multiple times, practice regularly and gain confidence for exams. Okay, so you just see this in your Unacademy app, and from there you can just go on attempting this test. Okay, so now we shall go for the next problem, that is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. Okay, so for this function you have to check increasing and decreasing. So if you want to check increasing and decreasing, here f dash of x is going to be 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Now equate this term to 0, that is 6x square minus 6x minus 36 is going to be equal to 0. Take 6 common, that will be x square x minus 6 equal to 0. So now x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So you just simplify this equation and you just check, that is it will be 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So x is common, x minus 3 plus 2 is common, x minus 3 equal to 0. So that is x plus 2 and x minus 3 is going to be equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. This is going to be the solution for this particular problem. I think all of you already know this. It will be just a revision for all of you. So for that you just see, once if I differentiate and if I equate that term to 0, you are going to get x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. Now we shall put those points in increasing order. Okay, so first we have to put minus 2, next we have to 3. Check the positive function or negative function. Once you check this is positive function or negative function, you understand that by seeing this function it is going to be positive. So for that already I have explained how to check positivity of the function and negativity of the function. Now by understanding this function is positive, you just draw the curve from the positive side. Now the curve goes back to here. Check, here it is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive. So you are going to have three intervals, that is negative infinity to negative 2. Here it is positive and union with 3 to positive infinity. So here it is strictly increasing. Here it is strictly increasing. And what about decreasing? Minus 2 comma 3, that is strictly decreasing. Okay, so these are the intervals where the function is increasing and strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Okay, so I think you got an idea of increasing and decreasing functions, and you also got an idea of how to check slope of normal and slope of tangent. Now I will go for problems solving on maximum and minimum. The problems for solving maximum and minimum. Okay, so for that we shall just see one of the problem for maximum and minimum. That is, you just say find two positive numbers, find two positive numbers, find two positive numbers whose sum is 15, whose sum is 15 and sum of sum of whose squares, sum of whose squares, sum of whose squares is minimum, sum of whose squares is minimum. Okay, so these things I have to simplify. So here you can just see, find the positive numbers. That means let x and y be the positive numbers. Let x and y be the positive numbers. Then here you just see sum is 15, x plus y is equal to 15, and sum of whose squares, that means z equal to x square plus y square, is minimum. So you all know that for this particular problem you have to check the double differentiation. Okay, so you have to check d square z by dx square. If this is lesser than 0, then maximum exists. If d square z by dx square is greater than 0, minimum exists. Please remember all these terms. Okay, so just revise once, you are going to get an idea, so that you just revise it once and you can get an idea of it. Now I will go for solving the double differentiation of the given function. That is, first you differentiate once, what you will get, you just see. I will differentiate it once, dz by dx, it will be what you are going to have. So before differentiation, you just see y is equal to 15 minus x. Y is equal to 15 minus x from the equation 1. So here you can write it as x square plus 15 minus x whole square. So now you can differentiate it. So that is 2x plus 2 times of 15 minus x. So that is 2x plus 30 minus 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. So from this you can just see that, you are going to have the differentiation is 2 times of 15 minus x into, this is going to be minus 1. 2 times of 15 minus x into minus 1. So for that you just check, it is going to be equal to, if I multiply it with minus 1, sorry, you have to multiply it with minus 1 by using the chain rule. You just use the chain rule. So for that this will be 2x, 2 times of 15 minus x minus 1. So this is going to be equal to 2x plus minus into 1, minus into 2 is minus 2, minus into minus is plus 2x, minus into 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into 15 is minus 30. Okay, sorry for that. So it is going to be equal to 4x minus 30. See, here you have to apply chain rule. By using chain rule, first you simplify the power. If you simplify the power, it is going to be equal to 2 times of 15 minus x. So 2 times of 15 minus x. Again you have to differentiate 15 minus x. That is going to be multiplied with minus 1. 2x. This is, just multiply the terms. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 into 15 is minus 30. Minus 1 into 2 into minus x will be plus 2x. So that is 4x minus 30. Now you differentiate again, because we need the second order derivative. Here you are going to get answer as 4. Check this is greater than 0. That is local minimum exist. Local minimum exist. Okay. So if local minimum exists, at which point? See, at which point you just take your dz by dx. What is dz by dx? 4x minus 30. So you just simplify it. 4x minus 30 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 15 by 2. X will be equal to 15 by 2 if you simplify this. Okay. So that means x is 15 by 2. See here, 4 is greater than 0. So for local minimum, what is the condition? The second order derivative must be greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, then local minimum exists. If the local minimum exists, at which point? At this particular 4x minus 30 equal to 0, that you have to check. So that is going to be equal to 15 by 2. Once you get x equal to 15 by 2, you put in equation 1. Put here x equal to 15 by 2 and simplify. So here x will be equal to 15 by 2. Y is 15 minus 15 by 2. So y also is going to be equal to 15 by 2. Okay. So this is your answer. Clear? So please practice this all things. If you practice these all things, again I am also going to continue this class in Unacademy class at 9 o'clock. So because here it is not possible for to me to complete your all the problems. Okay. So I think already 30 minutes over. Okay, still 5 minutes are remaining. So before going to complete this session, I will solve one more problem. Before going to the next problem, you can just see Unacademy Plus subscriptions. So there are 4 batches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in these 4 batches, this will be for Rankers batch 2.0 complete batch course on PCMB. So you are going to get complete course from this particular batch. And this is for Champions batch, they are telling, and Kannada batch 2.0, Masters batch 2.0. Okay, so there are 4 different batches. So from these 4 different batches, you can get your complete course. You can get your complete course. So for that, you have to just make a subscription. For this subscription, you have to use this code Pavan KCET. That means by using this code, you will get 10% of what you can say reduce of your fees. That you can see here. If you want to subscribe for 1 month, see you have 1500 rupees. That is 1500 10%. 150 rupees is going to be less out of 1500. Okay. So you can just check 1500 minus 150 is how much? 531. So 1350. For 1 month you can get 1350. So soonly after your board exams, you are going to write your KCET. So think about it once and you can get your complete course in this small amount of your money. I think some of you waste this money just by doing some enjoyments. So use that money for your KCET preparation because it is very affordable price. Okay. So only let us go for one more problem which we can complete in 2 or 3 minutes. So for that, what we can do, we can take only one problem on increasing and decreasing. So for that, I will take one problem for increasing and decreasing. F of x equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. So as I said, what you have to do here, just to differentiate this, 2x minus 4 you are going to get. So equate this term to 0. So by equating this term to 0, you are going to get x equal to 2. So you just draw this on the graph from minus infinity to plus infinity. So this is plus 2. Just you check, this will be the graph. Here it is positive, here it is negative. So minus infinity to 2 decreasing, 2 to positive infinity increasing. So this is the way of solving increasing and decreasing. So soon at again I think at 9 o'clock we can meet in the Unacademy app. This is also very good platform. That is where you can get more and more number of informations. So please be regular to the class. I think the time is up so that you can make your revision and go on solving all the problems. I think here time is very short, so I can't cover more number of problems. So let us meet again in the next session at 9 o'clock, and from 9 to 10 again I am going to do the revision of application of derivatives. So I think all of you have got your links of Unacademy app. So through that Unacademy app or through that Unacademy app link, you can just see the revision of application of derivatives. Okay. So this is all about your Unacademy app, and you can use this and you can score more number of the result. So no problem. We shall end this session and we shall continue in the next session. Thank you everyone for attending the class, and let's meet again in the next session.